I acquired a used vintage Collins axe with a fairly clean surface. After lightly restoring and designing the theme I wanted to engrave on this axe, I transferred an image onto this axe. One of these days, I'll make a video showing you how I transfer an image onto a metal surface. I don't like engraving on surfaces that have pits and dents. Engravers are damaged more easily, and it's just hard to work on those kind of surfaces. Engraving is a very slow process, so a lot of these video shots I sped up from 8 to 20 times of the actual speed of the video. Thousands of tiny cuts are carefully made to create shadows, contours, which then represent the image. Often these cuts are not visible to a naked eye. You need to look through a microscope to see them. Once the engraving is done, I apply black paint and remove excess paint. So the only paint is left is the one that is in the engravings. This helps the engraved image stand out more clearly. One side of the axe is now done. Let's move on to the second side and work on it. In August, I took my family for a road trip to Canada. I did not want to stop working on the project, so I took the axe handle on the road with me. We had such a great time traveling, exploring beautiful nature in Canada. What a gorgeous scenic place. Take a look at some of these scenes. Yep, beautiful wildlife and scenery. And so I got axe handle oil painted with this nice looking bear. It'll take a couple days for the paint to dry. Like everything else, the trip was over in a couple weeks and we came back home. I visited my brother who helped me hang the axe head. He loves nature, gardening, and you will quickly notice from these video clips of plants, flowers, growing in his yard. And there it is. The axe is ready for a final touch of sanding. Ah, look what he is making for dinner. This must be special Victor's shish kebabs. And I'm telling you, it was good, really good. Alright, now it's time to work on leather sheath. I've been using an 8-ounce cowhide for my leather sheaths, and I've been pretty happy so far with the quality. Now I'm ready to apply several layers of leather finish. I really like how the red thread stands out on this burgundy brown leather sheath. For the final coat of protection on the handle, I apply 2 separate layers of high quality varnish. Not bad. I like how the sheath turned out, as well as the engraving on the X. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to get automatic notifications when I post a new video. I will see you again.